Hey, it's Gene with Dent Repair back with another video. Today, I'm gonna use this repair to answer a couple questions for you. We've got a 2016 Ford F-150 in the shop. This is an all aluminum truck. That's the first question. Can we fix dents on aluminum? The dent also happens to go right across the body line, and we hear that all the time too. Well, can you fix a dent on a body line? Today, I'm gonna show you, yes, we can fix damage on aluminum and on a body line. Let me take you over and show you what we've got on this hood. All right, so the dent, you can see how the lines bend is right through that body line on both sides. Looking from here, in person, outside, it really doesn't look like a horrible dent. It actually crosses, if you see it bend, about 4 inches of damage. And the customer even said, if that was all I could really see, I probably wouldn't even fix it. And I can't say that I wouldn't disagree. But let me show you what it looks like from inside the truck in the driver's seat. So, sitting inside of the truck, this is what the customer sees driving down the road. Can you imagine having to live with that? Man, it would just drive me crazy. So that's what we're gonna fix today. That dent in an aluminum hood on a body line. Stick around. All right, so what we've got, and it's not a huge dent, right here in the body line. And if I can get a reflection, it goes on the other side of the body line as well. It's sort of hard to see. There we go. You can see the depression, and I'm gonna get a light out and show you closer. Over here, it really doesn't look like much of a dent. All right, so if you remember, this dent is the most visible sitting in the truck. To give us our best chance at making that look the best, we had to take it off of the truck. No big deal. It's simply 2 bolts, and we'll be able to go in and realign everything. As far as access goes, the dent is actually right around here. If we were to work from the front, we would have to come in through this hole, and it's kind of tight, and we can't see it the right way. So we're gonna gain access right through this big factory opening, and we'll be able to get up and fix that dent right there. All right, so here's that 2016 F-150. You can see, really this dent came out as close to perfect as we could ask for. Body line's all the way back. That looks great, even from inside the truck, which was the problem before. No more big, ugly dent to stare at while the customer's driving down the road. All right, well, I hope that helps answer the question, can we fix dents on aluminum? And can we fix dents in body lines? I think that's perfect proof right there. If we can help you out with a dent or a ding, give us a call at 724-554-1756 or visit us at dentrepairnow.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.